Ghanaian club Asante Kotoko is in advanced negotiation with South African coach Eric Tinkler to become their next head coach. Both parties are keen on the deal, and Tinkler, who formerly coached the likes of Orlando Pirates, Cape Town City, SuperSports United, Chippa United, Maritzburg United, and Sekhukhune United, was recommended by Asante Kotoko's technical director Stanley Menzo, and the appointment comes as the club prepares for a new season. Asante Kotoko are Ghana's most successful club with 26 league titles, 6 more than their rival Heart of Oak, who have 20 league titles. However, their last league title came in the 2021-22 season, and now they are hoping that the South African coach can help them to win the league title once again. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this move by Asante Kotoko to appoint Eric Tinkler as their new head coach? Is it a good move for both Eric Tinkler and also for Asante Kotoko? Let me hear your thoughts. South African coaches are really in demand. Manqoba Mngqithi recently signed with Young Africans. Steve Barker is at Simba SC. Rhulani Mokoena can potentially move to Pyramids FC. And Fatlu Davids was recently with Raja Casablanca. Definitely South African coaches are in demand in the African continent. And in other news, former Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns winger Mahlatsi Magudubela has announced his retirement from professional football, bringing down the curtain on a 17-year successful career. The 36-year-old versatile winger, who was known for his versatility and also technical ability, took to Instagram to announce the retirement. Here is what Mahlatsi Magudubela says. After 17 incredible years in professional football, today I announce my retirement from the professional game. From SAFA Transnet School of Excellence in 2004 to playing across South Africa, Czech Republic, Georgia, Tanzania, DRC, Angola, every jersey, every training session, every stadium has shaped me. My deepest gratitude to every club I represented. Mamelodi Sundowns, Platinum Stars, Orlando Pirates, Chippa United, Highlands Park, University of Pretoria, Marumo Gallants, Siwelele FC, to my brothers abroad at Kavina FK, FK Gagra, Young Africans SC, AS Vita Club, Velite FC. Thank you to every coach, teammate, physio, kitman, and supporter who believed in me. The wins, the losses, the MTN 8, Telkom Cup, NBC Premier League titles. I carried them all with pride. Football gave me everything: the discipline, the brotherhood, the love. The boots are hung up. The coaching whistle is next. With love and gratitude. Mahlatsi, Skudu, Waziri wa Raha Magudubela. That's the message from Mahlatsi Magudubela. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Mahlatsi Magudubela's retirement from football? And it seems like he's going to coaching next. As he says, the coaching whistle is next. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.